video, of course, right? Yeah. So this one today, I'm actually going to announce what the brand is. This time I'm not just gonna flash it across the screen like I've done in the other videos. But this one is by a company called Sue, New York. And this is actually the charcoal clay bubble mask. So according to the instructions on the back, like when you put this on, essentially it's gonna bubble up, and that sounds very interesting. So I was going to go ahead and do that today. So the instructions say to actually test this on like the inner corner of your elbow or whatever, just in case a reaction happens. But we're not gonna do that today because we're savage or something, okay? So it says to leave it on for 3 minutes. And yeah, before then, like oxygen bubbles will start to form, like, and then I just like rub it in and then, you know, let it chill out. So we'll see how that goes. So I've opened it, and so far it has a very chemical smell. So I'm gonna squish it on my face. Oops, I should probably take this ring off, huh? So, ooh-wee, ooh-wee. Very chemical smell. Oh, and I guess I didn't show you at the start of the video, but my nose is like super dry right now, so we'll see if that does anything for that. But I think, oh, cool. No, it's already doing the oxidization, whatever that's called. What the heck, this is really cool. Let me get it on my face before I do all this rubbing in, okay? Get it on there. Oh, it's starting to do the actual bubble feeling. Oh my gosh. I gotta do this a little faster. Hold on. I wasn't done. You just did the thing. Okay, let's not get it right in my eyeball. Okay, I think this is gonna have to be it. Because most of it started bubbling. Wow, that's an experience. So it said to rub it in as it starts doing that. Wow, can you hear that? Is it gonna continuously do this? What? How am I? What? Okay, I'm just super confused now. It feels really cool, but it's just continuously going. It wants me to keep doing this and not leave it on for more than 3 minutes. Been like what, 2.5 or something, I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off. It's gonna keep going, you know, like, it's so fun. That's why they're like no more than 3 minutes, because I keep doing this. All right, so I washed it off, and now my face kind of has a little shine to it, but overall it actually feels like super, well, not super dry actually. It feels normal dry, if that makes sense. Like, it's not super dry how my nose was. My nose is actually like less dry, but now everything feels like I need to put some toner on. But I mean, I guess that's better than it being like toner can't even help this. I need to put on 8 pounds of moisture. So like, I guess this is okay. Subscribe.